Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today with BK. This is a quick little, I guess, thing about my 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport. This is the Long Beach red, and it's got the spice red interior. I fell in love with the car, so for you guys and gals that were here for the SS, it's over. So sad to say it's gone. Someone will enjoy that manual. This one is an automatic, but with the paddle shifters, and the haters can hate, but it's great for me with the things that are going on with my knees and my back. It's better. I like this is more comfortable ride on me, and man, it's a beautiful car. But what in this video today, I'm going to be using the ACS Composite, the I guess you would say the rock chip guards, and so they are not sponsoring this, but a shout out to them, the way they package things. So I'm going to, if I can do this, put one here, and they are the carbon graphite. That's what you say. You can see here what this looks like from the factory, because I did see a few chips already, and I want on the Grand Sport these wheels are a little bit wider. Just want to get that covered so that we're not slinging it on others and onto the paint. But I'll get the splash guards back here, and it is the extra large ones. And ACS, if you want to sponsor it, I'll be glad to put them back there. I had to stop where I was money wise. It does get a little expensive, but you do make great products. But yeah, we're kind of just basically, you can see the rest of the products are, and even though it's a C8 on the outside, it's made nice. And I can understand why they would do that. That's the modern, up-to-date C8. So, but let's get this done. And it's been shown several times. I'll put a link in the description how to do this, even by ACS. And as you can see, right now it's just factory things on this. So, all right, well, let's get this done. We'll do it in a snap. All right, there we go. Yeah, I realized I was saying something like carbon graphite. It's carbon flash. This was an option, these center caps. So I thought that was kind of nice that the person that ordered this put those on. But it looks great. This side I had a little fitment issue. You can see right in there that this actually is pushed forward a little bit. So from the factory. So, it gave a little gap, but I'm fine with it because when it's down on the ground, you don't see any of that. But I misspoke earlier, too, saying that if they go right here, I believe there are some from ASC. Like I said, if you want to sponsor and send them to me, I'll put them on. But then this looks nice back here. I had it up on the lift here so y'all can see. I got fingerprints all over it, but look how the continuity of it goes. I don't have a lot of light back here. It just comes through. And yes, I did rivet. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah, you can see the rivets there. I did rivet it because if not, this will kind of wiggle around. And I didn't want it wiggling around and rubbing here, and who knows? Maybe take it to the track and has a problem. So, but overall, really pleased. And I already had the kit came with these. I already had them from when whoever ordered the car. So if these start to chip up, I'll just put those on. But really nice. I mean, here's the carbon flash in here. Really nice. But yeah, I would like to change this over. It's just everything's expensive, and so if I can get the carbon flash there, maybe the carbon flash splitter, that would be great. But I'm gonna show you some swag here. I thought it was pretty nice. Had a shirt. Was in the box. So shout out to ASC. That was really nice to put a shirt in there. Let you know you appreciate it for ordering from them. So thanks for doing that. So I can get through my boxes here. So you see this side. This turned out really great. As you can see, the gap is not in there like the other one. Sorry for the lighting, but it looks good back here too. You can see how that connects to the back. So, but not really a problem, you know, when you put them on like the other YouTube guys have shown how to put those on, and even ASC. Just take your time, you know. It's pretty simple. I'm glad that GM used it that way, and the way they put it together. But please like, subscribe if you feel like you can, comment. Trying to grow the channel. Thanks for being here. Today with BK out.